And welcome back to Let's Learn to Sew. My name is Margaret. I am the lead instructor and founder of letslearntosew.com. A couple of years ago, I did a sew along, and it was for Simplicity Pattern 1502 View F, How to Sew a Pair of Shorts. In that sew along, I was trying to address some questions that I'd received from several students, and they wanted more detailed information on how to read a pattern envelope and how to read the instructions that come with a sewing pattern. During that time, I was also a full-time nursing student, and that was June of 2020. So everybody knows what was going on in 2020. I won't go into that. So things were kind of busy. What I did is, in between studying, I would take a different step of reading the envelope, pattern instructions, and creating the shorts, and I would create a quick video, get it edited, and put up. When I got to the end of the series, I guess somehow I forgot to show you guys the finished shorts. This is one of the biggest questions I get on this sew along, which I take as a compliment because that means that the instructions were covered well. You guys just wanted to see the finished shorts. So here they are, 2 years later. The shorts turned out fine. I really was just in a hurry. I was trying to keep my focus on studying and also trying to get these videos up to you guys in a timely manner. So I finished the videos, got them edited, threw my shorts in the wash, and started wearing them. So as you can see, they're pretty faded. This is actually 2.5 years old, I guess. I still wear them all the time. This is the front. Here's the back. And these are some of my favorite shorts to sleep in. They have a lot of leg room, so you can get comfy, pull your legs up in a chair, whatever, but they're not super baggy. There's just enough room. Anyways, so here they are. I think they turned out great. They're comfortable. If you're wanting to learn how to read a sewing pattern envelope and detailed instructions on reading sewing instructions and want to follow along and create a pair of shorts, then this is the playlist for you. And I'm sorry guys that I just missed that step way back when I created these first videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not showing you guys anything other than the finished product, but there you go. For all of those that have asked, here are my finished shorts. I'm gonna go ahead and get this posted and start working on my next video for you guys. Stay tuned, it should be up later this week.